There's a difference between going downstairs and stepping off of a curb or stepping off of any sort of ledge. When I'm going downstairs, my intention is to move directly straight down, generally because I'm going to continue moving down successive steps and I'm not going to take a full step forward. When I step downstairs, I move directly down, placing with my ball of the foot first, and then I settle the weight. And then generally, if there's another step, I'm going to lift my leg up and repeat the sequence. If I'm stepping off of a curb or another ledge where my intention is to continue walking, I'm not going to descend straight down. I'm going to move forward from the same position balanced over my left leg. Instead of going straight down, placing on the ball, I'm going to move forward, placing on the heel. And I'm going to continue walking. You notice how I naturally roll out of that heel placement. So I don't crash into the heel. I touch down with the heel and continue gliding forward like I was an airplane landing. I change weight, shift to a balanced position, and then I step down and forward, placing on the heel, and then continue walking. When going downstairs, I get that same balanced position and I move straight down and settle. The difference between the two movements is in the action of my core as I'm going downwards. When I step downstairs, I am rotating forwards with my upper spine, the thoracic spine, and I'm rotating backwards with my lumbar spine. That causes me to descend straight down. Forwards with my upper spine or the thoracic spine, and backwards with my lumbar spine as I descend. The backwards motion of the lumbar spine pulls my pelvis backwards, causing my leg to move straight down instead of forward, which is what happens when I step off of a curb. When I step off of a curb, instead of turning forwards on this side and backwards on the same side, I turn forward on this side and backwards on the left. When I turn backwards on the left, that essentially turns my pelvis forward on the right side, causing my leg to swing out rather than swing back. When my leg swings out, I end up moving forward and down, not straight down. Demonstrating again, walking off of a curb, and walking down a stair. You'll notice the arm swing is different because of the rotation of the body's different. When I go off of a curb, my left arm is swinging forward. When I go downstairs, my right arm is swinging forward. That is because of the different rotation in my thoracic spine as I go downstairs versus going off of a curb. My thoracic spine is turning this way when I go downstairs. My thoracic spine is turning this way when I go off of a curb. That's the difference. And also be sure that you're paying attention to that foot placement. I place on the ball of the foot coming downstairs, ball of the foot, then lower. I place on the heel of the foot when I'm going off of a curb. I would not try to place on the ball of the foot as I was stepping forward. That would really be an awkward foot placement and not good for the joints and particularly for the knees, and you're likely to fall over doing that.